Imagine a lifestyle where every day feels like a vacation.
Well, this is Valencia Reserve, a premier 55-plus community in West Boynton Beach, Florida.
At the center of Valencia Reserve lies an expansive social and recreational compound thoughtfully designed to foster connection and community among neighbors. Enjoy a friendly game of cards or engage in a spirited tennis match. The newly renovated clubhouse is your go-to spot. Start your day with a delicious bagel at the café, energize in the state-of-the-art gym, or relax by the pool with your grandkids. With a wealth of clubs and activities catering to every interest, there's no shortage of entertainment to keep you engaged and inspired.
If this extraordinary lifestyle appeals to your sense of adventure, then join us for a tour of 9060 Grayson Court.
This exquisite Julia model offers the ultimate Florida lifestyle with every detail thoughtfully designed for comfort and elegance. The expansive triple split floor plan offers 3 spacious bedrooms, an oversized great room, an open den, and a versatile bonus room. Step outside to your own private oasis featuring a newly installed saltwater pool surrounded by a gorgeous travertine-tiled patio with a screened enclosure offering the best outdoor living space in the community. This is the finest in resort-style living, the epitome of luxury and convenience.
So don't miss the opportunity to make this exceptional property your own.